I don't have to command the whole ocean to move across it. That's the first truth I learned when I stopped trying to be the wind and let myself feel it instead. Control is a heavy thing. It makes your shoulders tight, your breath shallow, your spirit small. I carried it like an anchor and wondered why I kept sinking. But the sea doesn't answer to force. It answers to rhythm, to listening. To the quiet courage of adjusting your sails instead of fighting the storm. Some days the wind is wild, and I think I have to match it. Push harder, row faster, out-muscle the waves. But all that ever did was make me tired of my own strength. So I learned to loosen my grip, to let the boat sway, to let the water speak first. To let the wind be a partner, not an enemy. I'm wrestling in the dark, and in that surrender, found something softer than victory. I found peace. The kind Esther carried when she stepped into her moment without forcing it to arrive. I don't have to control all things. I just have to stop working against myself. Let the wind catch the sail. Let the current guide the keel. Let the day be what it is without demanding it become something else. This is how I move now, not by conquering the ocean, but by learning its language. Not by bending the world to my will, but by letting my will bend to feel the blessing in the breeze. I don't need to be the storm. I don't need to be the storm. I just need to be the one who knows how to ride it.